Alright guys, I'm here working on the SC. Actually today what we're going to be doing is replacing the trunk, the shocks. They're not shocks, are they called dampeners? I don't know, whatever. The things that hold the trunk up, you get it. So you see here I got the stick holding that in. Let me show you how to replace it. All you got to do is pull back the trunk liner. You gain access to the strut. They're called struts actually, I just remembered. Alright. This right here is a nut you got to loosen up. That's a 12mm nut. Turn that bad boy clockwise, and then you have in here, you've got this clip. You see that silver clip right there? You got to take just a flathead screwdriver, and you got to bend that top prong up, just like I've got it bent, and then you'll be able to pull that and just slide it this direction. This way to the right, slide it right off. So let's get into that. Let's do the one on each side. Like I said, we got these from the junkyard for $5. We're gonna get this trunk looking a lot better. So let's jump into that, and I'll show you the results here in a few minutes. Alright, we just got the old one off. As you can see here, it's got that clip, and all I did was pry up that one side right here with the flathead screwdriver. See if you can see that right there. I just pried that up and it came right off. We're going to take this clip, since we have used ones, we're going to take the clip off and we're going to install it on the old one here, and then we'll get this whole thing installed. It's not going to be hard at all. Alright, we got both new struts in there, and we are just tightening it up. I had to repair this one a little bit because that bracket wasn't, that little clip wasn't holding things on, so a little wire there. But hey, you know, my car's not perfect, but it's on a budget. I think you guys can relate. These clips won't fit on either, so I'm just going to get a little piece of wire and I'm going to tie that on there so it'll stay on that piece as well. But we're about to have this thing all buttoned up. As you can see, it is already working, keeping up without a stick. So let's get it buttoned up and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, we got them installed. Let's get this liner put back in here. That thing just pops back in, super simple. There we go. All right, let's check it out. Here it goes. Push it down. Pop it open. Wow, that's nice right there. No more ghetto stick in the trunk. In case I need to put something in there. That looks nice. I love that. Let's check it out again. Alright, not a bad junkyard find. I think, like I said, it was like $5 at the junkyard. Wrench and pull.